Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Leo at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tingnan po natin ngayon kung ano yung mensahe para sa'yo, Leo, at sa person mo. Para sa buwan ng Marso 2024. Childhood trauma. No one understands me but you. Okay. So Leo, dito kasi medyo malalim to, no? Pagdating sa'yo, ang nakukuha dito na energy ay yung mga nangyari sa'yo nung bata ka pa, no? Yung mga bagay na mahirap kalimutan, na nakakapagbigay sa'yo ng isang alalahanin, no? Something that you cannot get over right away, no? Kasi kung gaba na trauma ka na nagulat ka o hindi mo ina-expect o hindi mo maalis ito sa iyong isipan, kaya parang dala-dala mo siya hanggang ngayon sa iyong pagtanda. Kung hindi man ito na clear nung maliit ka pa, hindi mo to nasabi, hindi mo to na, alam mo yun, hindi mo na-express para maano ka, ma-heal, no? Magaling ka, para ma-overcome mo tong trauma na to. Dala-dala mo yan hanggang ngayon sa iyong katandaan. Kung ano man ito, okay? Marami kasing pwede maging childhood trauma natin. Hindi ko na siya i-explain, but I think you know, if you have gone through this experience when you were small, you know what I mean, okay? Now, no one understands me but you. Yung person mo, ang sinasabi dito is, kung gaban, ikaw lang, Leo, yung nakakaintindi sa akin. Na karon siya ng comfort, no? Your person finds comfort in you kasi alam niya na naiintindihan mo siya. Gets mo siya, kung gaba. Maybe because it has something to do with you understanding life in general, no? Kasi ang Leo talaga ay napaka-understanding. Napakalaki ng puso sa mga tao na talagang nangangailangan ng pagmamahal at pangunawa. Kaya siguro yung tao mo, yung person, nakita agad itong traits na to sa'yo, no? Which if gustuhan niya o na fell in love siya sa'yo because of that. Maybe one reason, okay? So, tignan natin sa tarot. We have a jumping card, the Emperor. So, we have the Fool and the Four of Cups. Bottom niya is the Five of Wands. Yung person mo, Ace of Cups, the Ace of Swords, and the Page of Swords. Bottom niya is the Sun. You, Leo. Okay, so Leo, start ng card mo dito is the Emperor. Now, this could be a father figure, no? Somebody serious, somebody older, definitely older than you. Somebody na talagang you look up to, maybe, sabi ko nga, a father, a boss, or somebody na of higher learnings, somebody na established na, okay? And you felt na parang yung taong ito didn't really care a lot. Hindi siya kung ba parang ginagawa niya yung gusto niya. Okay? Sinusunod niya kung ano yung gusto niyang gawin as the head of the family. Or, kasi nga, the Fool is an energy coming from an Aries, which is the leader, no? The one who starts everything. The one who knows everything. Kasi siya yung nag-umpisa, no? Siya yung umpisa ng zodiac sign. So, yung Aries. Ang pakiwari dito is, this is also the start of the tarot, which is 0. Trying to move, no? And take the risk. Take that leap of faith, no? Nagbabaka sakali, kung ba, na gawin kung ano yung gusto niyang gawin. Kung saan siya dalhin ng panahon o pagkakataon. O siya dalhin ng hangin, sabi nga nila. And maybe because of this action, yung naging desisyon nitong tao na to sa'yo, Leo, pakawari mo is lahat ng dumating sa'yo na pag-ibig, binabaliwala mo kasi nakafocus ka sa nakaraan in your past, no? You keep looking back sa nangyari maybe when you were small, because ito, tignan mo, bata pa. The cup being offered to you is coming from somebody older, di ba? Sabi ko nga, older, matured. But you don't want to look at this. You don't want to accept. You're ignoring that love. Arang hindi ka naniniwala. Hindi mo tinatanggap ng buong buo itong pagmamahal na binibigay sa'yo o inaabot sa'yo. Para sa'yo parang, hindi totoo yan, hindi tama yan. Niloloko nyo lang ako, sasaktan nyo lang ako. You lost that trust, no? Kasi ang nakikita mo yung nakaraan mo, yung maybe what happened with you nung you were small. Sabi ko nga, because you have a childhood trauma. If your person left you, itong father figure na to, this guy left you, and be the fool, no? Parang bigla na lang umalis, sinunod ko ano man yung gusto niyang gawin, nag-abroad o whatever, saktan ka eh. Siyempre, ikaw ba iwanan, di ba? Lalo na sa murang edad, hindi mo naiintindihan yon. You don't understand what's happening. Maybe nobody explained to you what's happening. Kung meron man, you still don't understand why. Baka kulang yung explanation. Diba? Kung ba later na lang siguro, kung nag-mature ka na, tsaka mo lang nag-gets kung bakit nangyari ito. But, I felt that parang masyado nang malalim yung sugat. Yung sugat na naramdaman mo dahil naiwan ka. Okay? Kasi, bakit ba nagkaiwanan? There was a conflict, no? May kaguluhan. Merong hindi pagkakaintindihan o pagkakasunduan. Nagkakaroon ng hindi pagkakaunuan. Or maybe there was a competition. I don't know what exactly happened sa iyo with your family, but this is what it means, no? Ito yung ibig sabihin nitong energy na to. May gulo, may conflict, may kompetisyon. Kaya, ito yung naging cost ng pag-alis ng Fool. And you don't understand that. Nung maliit ka, syempre hindi mo naintindihan yun. Maybe nakikita mo, na-experience mo, but still, you don't understand. Kaya naging traumatic sa'yo eh. Hindi ka tanggap-tanggap na naranasan mo ito sa napakamurang edad. Kung bakit nawala, kung ito man ay tatay mo, o itong person that you love in the past, hindi mo maintindihan. Okay? Now, yung person mo starts with the Ace of Cups. A new beginning in love. And a new beginning with communication, honesty. No? Napakagandang beginning. Kasi nagbibigay ito ng pag-asa. An ace is always a feeling of hope. Pag-asa sa panibagong pag-uumpisa. And with the Page of Swords, pinapaalam mo to. You are communicating this to your person. Maybe nakita mo kasi siya to be yung bago mong pag-ibig, yung bagong pagkakataon na magkaroon ng mas honest na relationship. No? You saw that in your person. You saw that with Leo. Okay? And with this, ito na nga, no? The Sun. Energy ni Leo, which gives happiness, success, fulfillment, a new beginning. No, nakita mo talaga ito sa kanya. Binigyan kanya ng bagong pag-asa na maging maligaya muli. Which is beautiful. No? Napakaganda. Tingnan natin kay Leo. The Ten of Cups, the Tower, and the Hierophant. Bottom niya is the King of Wands. And your person have the Magician, the Nine of Wands, and the Two of Pentacles. Bottom niya is the Queen of Cups. Kay Leo, yung maliit ka, no? You were, o sabihin natin na yung love na ino-offer sa'yo ngayon, hindi mo matanggap-tanggap ng normal, no? Kasi dahil sa na-experience mo sa past. You were hoping that this person would give you that happiness, no? Ten of Cups. Na kung hindi mo to tatay, hindi mo to no, whatever, kung ano man yung position nitong person na to sa buhay mo, nakita mo siya to give you that total happiness. Okay? But something happened with the Tower. Hindi mo inaasahan na mangyayari ito sa'yo. Shocking talaga. Diba? Magulo. And it has something to do with a marriage. Hierophant. Now, I couldn't say kung talagang this is your marriage or it could be somebody's marriage. Okay? Take it as it resonates, Leo. Kung hindi sa'yo itong marriage na to, well, definitely something went wrong with the marriage. Kasi nga, dito yung Tower. Just to show you, the Tower and the Hierophant. So, ibig sabihin, something unexpected happened sa marriage. Something na hindi mo ini-expect o bigla ang nangyari dito sa marriage na to. By the look of it, di ba, kung titingnan mo, nasira yung bahay, nasunog. But something out of the blue got lost within the marriage. Hangga ba? Maybe nagkahiwalay. Okay? Kung ikaw naman ito, dahil kasi nga nakikita mo this person to be your happiness, no, your emperor. Yung pag-take of leaf of faith niya, no, biglaan, nag-brought ng Tower moment sa'yo. Kaya itong pag-ibig na binibigay niya, naapektuhan ng inyong relationship. Kung kasal ka dito, then something went wrong with your marriage. Kung hindi ka pa kasal, then something happened that caused pain dito sa relationship na to. Okay? And with the King of Wands kasi, this is somebody na ang energy kasi niya is somebody you can depend on, somebody who is really out there, na maasahan mo, na somebody na fun to be with, somebody na who's very attractive, no, gwapo, maganda, creative, magaling, and you were hoping that this person should be something like this, no? Yung talagang kaaya-aya kasama. But somehow it didn't turn out to be that way. No, may kaguluhan dito na nangyari. Yung person mo naman, first card niya dito is the Magician. Binigay siya ng pagkakataon para ma-express mabuti yung kanyang sarili dito sa person mo o kay Leo. To make the relationship work, no? Kung gaba lahat ng pwede niyang gawin, ipakita, paramdam, sabihin, ipahiwatig, no? Andito na sa kanya lahat yun para ipakita nga kay Leo na, hey, you are special. You are the one for me. Ikaw talaga ang gusto ko. Alam mo lang yung kaligayahan na binibigay mo sa akin. Okay? But somehow, hindi niya binibigyan ng pansin because of maybe yung naging pakiramdam niya, no, with the Four of Cups. Kaya ikaw, naging very, kung gaba, you put up your wall, no, medyo defensive. Inaalagaan mo mabuti yung sitwasyon na to. Parang, teka. To a point na parang hindi mo na maintindihan kung anong gagawin. You don't know. You cannot decide what to do. What's next? How can I balance this? Paano ko ba ayusin to? Gusto kong maging okay kaming dalawa. Pero hindi ko mawari kung paano titimplahin ito ng tama. Kasi, alam mo yung, mahal ko siya eh. Mahal ko talaga tong si Leo. Kaso, parang hindi niya ina-appreciate. Hindi niya ako binibigyan ng importansya o pansin, no? Hindi niya binibigyan ng importansya o pansin. Kahit na anong gawin ko, no? Kahit na anong gawin ko dito sa kanya, ipakita yung aking pagmamahal, no? Wala pa din. I just want Leo to know na I appreciate you. I love you for who you are. Dahil sa akin, ikaw lang yung nakaintindi sa akin eh. Ikaw lang. And I value that so much. Baka hindi mo alam, no? Pinapaalam niya sa'yo. Ano yung advice? What's the advice? We have the 8 of coins, the 2 of wands, and the Queen of Wands. Ang advice sa'yo dito, Leo and person, 8 of coins. Pagtrabahuhan niyo to. Work on it. Diba? Wag patatalo. Kailangan may dedication sa isa't isa para mag-work out yung relationship. Because you wanted na, to move forward. You wanted to move forward with this person. Ikaw, cross-watcher, and Leo, kahit pa paano, you should be thinking about moving forward with this person. Kasi you know that the relationship would work. Mahal ka eh, no? And the Queen of Wands is somebody na talagang exciting nga, no? Like this one. Exactly what you're wanting. The wands, no? The fire sign. Yung init ng pagmamahal. This is the king and this is the queen. So, you want to be compatible, If you're asking for somebody na maging compatible sa'yo kasi you're a fire sign, Leo, then this person is the one. Mag-work out yung relationship if you just set aside things na talagang nag-hurt sa'yo in the past. Maybe if you trust this person more, baka, maalis yun. Maalis tong trauma na to. Mapaltan ng pagmamahal. Dahil yung tao ay punong-puno ng pagmamahal sa'yo. Pinapakita niya. Maybe, hindi mo ba naisip na baka this person was sent to you by God para ma-heal ka? To help you heal. To let you know that yung love, the love that is being offered, hindi basta-basta. Kaya wag mo siyang i-ignore, Wag maging dahilan ito para hindi mo pansinin o hindi bigyan ng halaga. Kung meron man kaguluhan dito, I don't know if there's something negative or positive about what happened, but hopefully, sana okay siya. Kasi yung card mo dito naman is okay, no? The King of Wands. Something, kasi dumadating yung mga tower moment na to sa buhay natin to shake you up, no? Para galawin ka. Kasi kung medyo hindi mo na nakikita, ginaano ka ni God eh. Hey, gumising ka. And this time, ang relationship mo ang kinakalog niya. Para makita mo, ma-realize mo na kung ano bang mawawala kapag hindi mo to inayos o hindi mo binigyan ng pansin. You know very well na compatible ka dito sa tao na to. You know very well that this person loves you. Bakit mo pinapabayaang mawala? Hindi madali makahanap ng taong tunay na nagmamahal sa'yo. You have to remember that, Leo. I think you know that. You're the person who knows love compared to any other, zodiac sign. Kasi you rule the heart. Sa tao, you rule the heart. ba sa anatomy ng tao, you rule the heart. That's what I'm trying to say. Nararamdaman mo yan. So, don't ignore this person. This truly loves you. Mahal na mahal ka nito. So, I'll give you the opportunity, Leo, to ask any question. Okay, tanong ka lang. Hanggang nagsha-shuffle ako dito. Kukunin natin yung sagot dito. Then, I will let you know kung ano yung naging sagot. Okay? So, you just think. Isang question. Habang tinitignan natin kung ano dito. Okay, handa ka na? It says here, choose a new direction. Kung ano man yung tanong mo, sinasabi, pumili ka ng ibang direksyon. Okay? Now, let us see. Ano pa yung ibang message for Leo? True love. True love comes when you least expect it. Talaga naman. And your person, heart, you begin to feel your heart beat faster when you are close. O, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, si Leo is heart. Leo rules the heart sa body anatomy natin, no? Yung kabuuan ng ating katawan, kung saan si Leo, siya yung puso. No? Siya ito. Kaya nararamdaman mo yung lakas ng tibok ng puso mo kapag malapit ka o naka close ka sa kanya. Kay Leo. And for Leo, alam mo true love to. Alam mo, huwag mo siya ignore. Okay? Sayang naman. Hindi lahat ng tao ay nabibigyan ng pagkakataon sa lifetime na to meet the true love. Kaya pag nakita mo na, di ba lagi nila sinasabi, pag nakita mo na yung taong ito, huwag mo siyang pakawalan. Kasi hindi na ulit mangyayari o hindi agad mangyayari na makita mo yung ganitong klaseng tao sa buhay na to. It will take you maybe another lifetime for you to experience and find that true love again. Kaya habang andito ka sa lifetime na to, and you happen to meet your true love, which is, I guess, this person, don't let it go. Nourish it. Alagaan mo. Iparamdam mo sa kanya yung pagmamahal na ito. Dahil ang binibigay lang niya sa'yo ay puro pagmamahal. That I think you really need, to cure you, para maalis itong trauma na to. Itong pain na ramdaman mo nung maliit ka. Help you heal, okay? Kung kanino man Leo ito na nakuha natin yung energy, I hope na nakatulong ako sa'yo. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.